Namaskar viewers. Today is going to be a quick, easy and a healthy breakfast recipe, which is Oats Idli. So let's get started. So now for the Oats Idli, I have taken here 1 cup of oats, half cup of rava, 3/4 cup of curd, some dals for the tempering, and I have taken some vegetables of my choice, some grated carrots, some green peas, some coriander leaves, curry leaves, ginger and some green chilies, and a pinch of baking soda. I have finely grated the carrots using a cheese grater, and I have finely chopped the green chilies, ginger, curry leaves and the coriander leaves. So now let's start by dry roasting the oats. Now I have roasted the oats for about 2 minutes. Now I am transferring this to a bowl and allowing it to cool. In the same pan, I have added some oil and I am going to temper all this. Mustard seeds, urad dal and chana dal. After they splatter, I am adding some green chilies, ginger and the curry leaves, giving it a good mix. Next I am adding the grated carrot and the green peas. Giving it a good mix. Now I am adding the coriander leaves and the half cup of rava to this. I have not dry roasted the rava earlier and hence I am going to roast it now. Now the oats has cooled down. I am transferring it to a mixie jar and I will be grinding it coarsely. The rava has roasted well with the vegetables. To this I am adding the ground oats powder. Giving it a mix. Also adding the required amount of salt. And giving it a good mix. Now I have put off the flame and I am transferring this to a bowl. To this I am going to add the 3/4 cup of curd, and adding the required amount of water. Add water little by little and bring it to a batter consistency. So I have added water and mixed it well, and this is the batter consistency. Not too thin, not too thick. So I'm going to allow this to set for about 15-20 minutes and then I'll show you. It's about 5 minutes now. I'm adding the baking soda and giving it a mix. Now in the meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my idli steamer. And I'm going to grease my plates. My steamer is getting ready. My plates are greased, and in a pan I am adding some ghee, and I'm going to roast these whole cashew nuts. The ghee is nice and hot. I'm adding the few whole cashews to this. The cashews are done. So it's about 15 minutes now. You may adjust the water consistency if it is thick. For me it is perfect, so I'm not adding any water. You may check the salt also and adjust accordingly. So now in the idli pan I'm adding one cashew nut to each of my plate. And I'm adding the batter on top of this. My steamer is ready. I'm keeping this inside and I'm going to steam this for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's 10 minutes now, so I'm putting off the flame. I'll allow it to sit for like 5 minutes and I'll then open it and show you. Now our idlis are done. I'm transferring this to a serving plate. Our oats idli is done. It's soft and nice. So hope you all like this recipe. You can have this with any chutney of your choice, or you can even eat it as it is without any chutney. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.